Hello, little yogis. I'm so happy you're here today. Welcome back to Kids Yoga Time. Today is a special day because today you are not doing yoga alone. Today you need a buddy. Grab your favorite person, a brother, a sister, a friend, a mom, a dad, anyone who wants to move and laugh with you. Are you ready? Let's begin. First, stand facing your buddy. Take each other's hands. Feel how warm and strong your buddy's hands are. Let's breathe together. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Now let's try our first pose. It's called mountain to mountain. Stand tall, side by side with your buddy. Feet firm on the ground like two strong trees. Reach your arms up high together and touch your hands in the sky. Hold it steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing job, buddies. Now let's try something a little more exciting. It's called the Seesaw Stretch. Sit down facing your buddy. Stretch your legs out and touch your feet together. Now hold hands. One buddy leans back gently, while the other leans forward. Then switch. Back and forward, just like a seesaw at the park. Feel your back stretching. Feel your muscles waking up. Let's do that 3 more times, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful work, little yogis. Now, let's try double tree pose. Stand side by side with your buddy again. Put one arm around your buddy's shoulder. Now lift your other foot and place it gently on your ankle or your calf. Balance together. Let your buddy help you feel steady. Hold it strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now switch legs and try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, team. For our last pose, let's do partner boat. Sit down facing your buddy. Bend your knees and touch the bottoms of your feet together. Hold hands nice and tight. Now slowly lift your feet up. Straighten your legs if you can. Balance on your seat like 2 little boats floating together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did it. Let's come back down nice and slow. Take a deep breath together. Breathe in and breathe out. Now look at your buddy and think about how good it feels to move together, to help each other balance, and to laugh together. That's what yoga with a buddy is all about. Give yourself a big smile and a big round of applause. I'll see you next time.